Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will show you all. I want to share with you all about my favorite sports star. His full name is Sa'ad bin Abi Waqqas. He born when 595 at the age of 17, he joined the Badr War. He is one of the most successful archery in the history of Islam. He first completed learning how to play bow in Badr War. After the Badr War, he continued to join the Uhud War and Khandaq War. He first broke the world when Islam win the Badr War. That's all from me.
Okay.
Thank you.